Hi friends, welcome back to our channel Memory Lane. Today we are going to do an unboxing and we are adding a new topic to our channel, that is gardening. So let's start the unboxing. We have ordered this cactus from Plant Paradise. They have packaged very nicely and it is an appreciating thing. They have applied 5 to 6 tapes so that the cactus are safe and they do not get damaged. And that's a very good thing about the
This
company.
is not a promotional.
Yeah, and this is not a promotion of the.
Promotion.
This is not a promotional video.
Actually, we tried to find many cactus local, but we could not found. So after that,
we ordered from this.
Let's see what happens. How the thing is done. They have given a good packing.
They have put inside the dry haze. These are it is very nicely packed.
Cactus are not damaged. They have taken the care.
See this. This is the packaging of it. That they do not get damaged. Oh, they have kept. Oh.
Beautifully
it is so beautifully packed. They have wrapped it with tissue papers and lots of bubble wraps, and there are something on
they
it.
have added a complimentary plant.
Oh.
They have given a complimentary plant.
It is so nice of them that they have given a complimentary plant. So first we'll open the complimentary plant. Okay.
No.
Wait. First we'll open this.
Okay. Give me a minute.
And the total cost is like 8 cactus, so it's rupees 760
With charge.
with charge.
Means traveling.
Traveling, yeah.
Now let's see.
How is the condition of the cactus?
Unwrap it nicely.
It is so like
choto tissue
so
paper.
cute.
It's a wonderful tissue paper.
Wonderful. It's very thick tissue paper. The material is very thick.
And cactus are bare-rooted cactus. Cactus are bare-rooted.
Cactus are bare-rooted.
Cactus. So they have taken a lot of
wrapping. It is so chotu sa cute sa. Oh, wow, it is so cute.
Wonderful piece.
See, this is the first cactus. I'll show you nicely.
Oh, beautiful.
It's very beautiful.
Let's keep aside. Now let's see what is in the next
one. Hey, what is this?
Let's see the turn back. This is the tag they have given. See.
Oh, so this cactus was.
They have nicely given the name, the tagging.
Guy.
It is gymnocalcium vateri.
I'll show them. Open the first one. They have labeled each and every cactus. It's so good of them, no?
Label. Even the label.
Yeah.
So we can put them with the label.
Yeah. So now we are opening the second one. Wait, give me the label.
It
is gymnocalcium Belgium. Belanium.
Mm.
Bellium. It is
Beautiful cactus.
we are opening it still. There are so many cactus species in here. It is around 8 sets of cactus. I can already see some part and it's very beautiful. Wow. See, the roots are so healthy.
Mm. Yes, it is in a good condition with
Yeah.
very good root condition, everything.
I'll show you.
You don't hold it. Yeah. Mm. Dry roots, no moisture,
Yeah.
so no.
I think they are freshly took from the desert. It's so in that good condition. And that like this, they are not sent in very easy way. They have used there so much of materials in packaging of this.
Lastly.
Down also there is a this thing, this
They
here.
have packed
So
it
very nicely.
They have taken a
The
lot of
third
care.
Hmm.
The third one is
The third one is a second. Malayana
Malaria.
Malariana area Cathalu. The spellings are very hard to pronounce it, so
Malaria ericantha.
Ericantha. This is a very unique name of an cactus.
This cactus is
Oh wow!
beautiful.
This is so cute.
So cute. Don't hit.
It is so cute. It is super cute. It has a cylindrical shape. It is of cylindrical shape. But from the up, it is.
Don't hold it from opening, but.
Be careful.
Now
They have
come to
literally
next.
wrapped the whole dish, that roll, whole roll. Next one.
It is Astrophytum meristigma.
Wow.
This cactus I was looking for a long time, and it's my favorite one. Means all of them are good and all of them are favorite.
So cute.
But
They are so
beautiful
cute.
cactus always.
Oh, it is.
Astrophytum
I'm very
variety.
excited to see this one
It
because
has always fascinated cactus lovers. So I'm thankful to this nursery. They have given a very good species. Oh,
wow.
beauty. What a beauty it's looking.
That is a star shape.
Star cactus.
Wow.
Star shaped. And so fresh.
Wow.
Beauty. Oh my goodness.
It is so
What
healthy.
a wonderful.
It is super healthy plant. It is very healthy.
Beautiful.
Wow. It is so mast. At the last, we are gonna open the complementary plant. We think it is a cactus, but I don't know. Now we are left with other 3 cactuses.
It is Euphorbia obesa, one more wonderful species. Euphorbia.
Euphorbia. Slowly.
Wonderfully packed with tissue paper, very dry.
They have used the very whole toilet paper to wrap it.
No, tissue.
But they are so fresh and healthy.
No danger of any fungus or anything.
Yeah.
So dry, beautiful. Oh my goodness, what a wonderful baby. My. Tirtha, you liked it? So it's just beautiful like you, my baby. See? Just hold it in your hand and feel it. Say.
Eva.
Show.
The thorns are also not still like came out. It is just a newborn cactus baby. Oh.
Hmm.
So in our garden it is gonna grow.
All the ornamental things.
Ooh.
Where's the tag?
Take, it's here. Then at the we really appreciate them. But this is not at all a promotional video.
This is a great care they have taken. Echinosaurus bristoli.
Echinosaurus bristol.
This might have very beautiful flowering cactus.
Flowering cactus, wow.
Yes.
And these all like are present in the deserts, no?
Mhm.
These are the
They are away from their home, but still.
beautiful. Those are super cute and beautiful. Chotu sha. Oh my god.
My goodness. Beauty. One more beauty. One more beauty.
Wow.
You can see. Beauty.
It
one
is
more
the
beauty.
bigger brother of that chotu wala cylindrical cactus.
Keep it over here. Echinopsis. It is Echinopsis. Oh my goodness. Beautiful. One more. Classic. Just let me hold it. So beautiful.
They are super cute.
My goodness.
Oh, wow.
What a beauty. What a beauty. What a beauty. Just see the condition and
It is like a somewhat of heart-shaped plant.
beautifully dried up, and these roots are no fungus, nothing. Just hold it this way. Handle with care. Oh, beautiful, beautiful.
Wow.
And thank you. I must thank this company. They have taken a great care.
They actually
Beautiful.
respect plants.
They actually.
They have a
respect.
value of plants.
Yeah, that's true. Love it.
It was with you only. It was with you only. It's here. Is it?
Beautiful, beautiful. Really, today I'm honored to have this all species.
This is the last cactus. Then we'll open this one.
Mammillaria lindsay. Beautiful species.
These are the very.
See what a wonderful way to pack this cactus. These gems, rather, these little cuties.
Bin prakars like cactus are there in this.
Such
It's
a
so
beautiful,
cute.
yes, such a
It's
beautiful.
so cute. They are so cute. Oh, I'm getting hot. The thorns are very big. Actually,
Beautiful, beautiful.
it's very thorny. Oh,
The beautiful thorns.
my God. I can see somewhat the. Wow, the like literal thorns are there.
See, size is a little bit small, but it's
very
wonderful.
cute. It's
wonderful.
very cute. Really, it's very
wonderful. Wonder.
They have written a small way to saying big wala thanks on the complimentary plant.
We also thank this company. This is
Plant Paradise.
Plant Paradise people. They are very lovely. They know actually the passion of cactus lover.
And they are not like doing as their business. They are actually like have an interest in it.
And I got this
Complimentary plant.
Let's see what is there. The beauty of
Normal companies or nurseries do not give this complimentary plant, but I appreciate them. It's really.
It is. I think it is not tagged actually.
Like, that is one more cactus. Oh wow!
My goodness. It's
Oh,
malaria. One more. Oh, beautiful and nice.
beautiful. Thank you.
My
This is the
goodness.
big one.
Big one, and this is a compliment.
Yeah, this is the compliment, and the thorns are like picked in. They are so
Oh,
sharp. Oh wow.
so beauty.
Beautiful, beautiful. So guys, our unboxing ends over here, and it was a great unboxing. We thank Plant Paradise. Thank you for sending us
Finish one.
so beautiful cactus. Thank you so much. We appreciate your company. Bye. Subscribe, like,